Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're taking the train to travel to another city to visit our family. Now, you might think that this is just a typical travel vlog, but you're wrong. This is much more than that. This video is so important that it might save your life one day.
Okay, let me do a quick what's in my purse situation. So this is my purse. It's cute, it's small. My wallet, which I have a lot of money in, like a lot of money, like look for yourself. My earphone, hand sanitizer. We have lip balm, sunscreen, and last but not least, we have gum.
And not just any gum, it's bubble gum.
What?
I don't even know why I filmed that because nobody cares about things in my purse. But I also don't want to delete it off the video, so I don't know anyways. Hello! Okay, I filmed this by accident, but listen, did you know that this is how your eyes look like when you're watching outside of your window in a car or something? Because this is crazy. I didn't know it. I thought our eyes are just going to be there, but it's like jumping every second. What the heck? This lady sitting on that seat, she has an iPhone 12, and it's the closest I've ever been to an iPhone 12. iPhone 13 is already out, and I am here having the pleasure to meet an iPhone 12 for the first time this closely. So that's pretty much what we did on the train. We just ate junk food and finished watching Cinderella until we arrived at our destination. But listen, this is where the video is gonna get exciting and scary because we're going into the subway.
It's good now.
Yeah. Now that you're enjoying these beautiful moments, I need to warn you about what comes next. We're about to enter the subway and it's gonna get really, really dark and scary. So, you know, I warned you. Oh my god, no, we're already here.
My name's Ella. Who are you again?
Now it's time for you to see the subway clips, but I can't show you yet because I can't put a voiceover on top of the clips themselves because I realized that the sound is part of the scariness of those clips, so I can't ruin that. So here's my presentation on 13 reasons why Subway is scary. Number 1, it sounds like your death getting closer to you. You'll see what I mean. Number 2, lights kept going on and off for some reason, and it was just creepy, like every horror movie out there. Speaking of horror movies, in every single one of them, someone's gonna get murdered in the subway, and that's reason number 3. And again, what are the colors you see most in a horror movie? Yellow and red and black, and everything is just dark themed. That's the definition of subway. That's all you see in the subway. Reason number 5, it's gonna get crowded, and when it's crowded, it's gonna smell like a mixture of fart and sweat. Reason number 6, too many strangers dead staring into your soul, like if you've killed one of their family members and now they're planning your death. Reason number 7, the fact that you can turn yourself into a mixture of mincemeat and blood just makes me uncomfortable. Like, you shouldn't have that option in the subway. Now enjoy the clips.
بخوای تهیه کنی هر دونش رو 4-5 تومن کمتر بهتونه 4 تاشو میدیم 10 تومن
Someone's bag got tangled to my dress and now we don't know where my mom is. اینجا رفتی کلاه دوز اینجاست.
کسی خواست جاسویچی بدم اینجا. جاسویچی بدم آقا. بگویید در خریدشان شد.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So that's it for the subway part of the video. I hope you've all learned your lesson and took your notes. I really hope that you're never ever gonna use subway again, and if you do, that's on you. Don't come for me saying I should have warned us, because I did. I did what I had to do. And if you're still not convinced subway is scary, I don't care. The rest of this video is just how the rest of my day went. I hope you like it. Bye.
Oh my god, this place.
Ja, kurde, na zjeść to on będzie, tak, no, po prostu kurde, to.
خلاص